Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see one Power Query real-time task. So I have a table here with names and subjects. So that is the input and output is I want to pivot subjects and name should come under subjects. Okay. For example, if you see the names and subjects, Art is Emma and Sam. So below Art, Emma and Sam should come. In biology, Fred, John, Mike, and English, John, null, null. Okay, if nothing is there, okay, then null should come. Okay, guys. So let's see how to do it. Let's open Power BI. So I have loaded a table here. Okay. Then first we have to group by subjects. Okay. Group by subjects and new column name is all and operation is all rows. Okay, so you'll get a table like this. Okay, then next step is we have to add index column. Okay, so table dot add index column for this all column. Okay, the column name index. Okay, guys, so this will add the index column. Then remove this all column. This is not required. Okay, then expand this custom column with names and index because already we have subject, right? So with names and index, expand the column, then you will get like this. So English, John 0 and Art 2 are there. That's why 0 and 1 index. Biology 3 are there. So index 0, 1, 2 with the names. Okay. So next step is we have to pivot using the subjects column. Okay. Go to pivot column subjects. Okay, so subjects column, use the names in the column subjects to create new columns. So we are pivoting using the subjects column and values column is the names and aggregation is don't aggregate. Okay, so you'll get like this. Okay, then remove the index column. So this is the output we want, right? So these are the output, the names under each subject. Okay, that's what we want here. Art, biology, English, and the names where are reading those subjects. Okay, guys. So same output we got here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such real-time tasks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.